Please let me in. Please let me in. Please let me in. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Does this ever happen to you? Your dog sits at the door, lies down, waits for you to open it, and eventually goes to sleep while waiting. Well, no more. Introducing the Paw Cam, a Raspberry Pi driven, 3D printed, hand assembled in China, pet at the door alerting system. Your dog arrives at the door and you're alerted by a gentle barking sound so you know when to open the door. It's that simple. I just want to give you a really quick tour of how this works. So we've got a Paw Cam in a 3D printed case here, and it's attached with a ribbon cable, to this Raspberry Pi down here. And then I'll just show you the software up here. All right, so it loads the software, and now it starts analyzing frames. That's what it says, running frames. So let me just put the dog outside. So, biadong. And it's always a little bit lagging because it's a little bit slow. But there we go. So it has now detected a dog with a 99.8%, and there it is on the screen. We've got our picture of our dog waiting at the door. Come on in, Mooney. And there we go. That's it. All right, well that does it for the Paw Cam. I hope you enjoyed that. I had a great time. I really like working with the Raspberry Pi cameras, and it's always fun to get my dog involved. So thanks to everyone in the class. Thanks to Mark Rober, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll be making more, and you can look me up on YouTube. I make stuff for fun. All right, take care everyone. Bye-bye.